Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by laying the watch face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Use a spring bar tool or pin pusher to align with the small grooves. This exposes the link pins. Once done, check for arrow markings. Those indicate pin removal direction, so you push the correct way. Make sure to hold the strap steady with one hand while you position the tool. This prevents bending pins, and it speeds up the next step. You now push the pin out in the arrow direction using steady pressure. A light tap with a small hammer may help if the pin is snug. Once the pin loosens, pull it out with needle nose pliers or a tweezer. Remove links evenly from both sides so the clasp stays centered. Make sure to keep every pin and link in sequence. This preserves fit and makes reassembly quick and accurate when you finish. You rejoin the two strap ends and align the holes. Insert the pin partway, then tap gently until it's flush with the link. Once inserted, flex the bracelet slightly to ensure the pin seats fully. This prevents future loosening. Make sure the clasp sits centered and the watch rests comfortably on your wrist. If a pin gets stuck, reverse direction slightly, clear any grit from the hole, and retry. This troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.